All right, this is Chef Giuseppe with Meals for Longevity. I just finished the test for a Mexican food, enchilada. We made them fresh over here. We convert them for the Mediterranean diet. Let's go outside and see how the test went with our guest. Let's go and check together. All right, let's go out from the testing kitchen. We are in Florida, Sarasota. Beautiful place for the Mediterranean diet test. Let's go together. That's where we have our lunch. All right, it looks like we had a good test. So, Mexican enchilada, 2 of each, and a Mexican salad. And a way to dress it, we made some guacamole, sour cream, lime, so we serve fruit. What do you think? I think it went pretty well. Okay. Visit mealsforlongevity.com and you're able to download these recipes in the e-recipe section. Again, what we're doing is the new modern Mediterranean diet that is available on our website, mealsforlongevity.com. We are converting the international food for a new international way to eat with the same intakes of the Mediterranean diet pyramid. It's complicated, but it's easy. You just download it, you just follow the information, the recipes I prepared for you, and you're good to go. Very simple. Ciao, see you next test.